Hey everyone, today we're diving into a must-have gadget for your car, the REDTIGER Car Vacuum Cordless. This 4-in-1 portable handheld vacuum is designed to keep your car spotless while making your life easier. I'll be unboxing it, testing its features, and showing you why this could be the perfect tool for your car cleaning needs, so let's get started. First, let's unbox this beauty. Right out of the box, you get the vacuum cleaner, a HEPA filter, attachments for tight spaces, a charging cable, and a user manual. The design is sleek, modern, and lightweight. It weighs only 1.2 pounds, about the same as a bottle of water. Durable feel, and the compact size makes it easy to store in your car or home. And let's not forget, this is not just a vacuum, it's a 4-in-1 tool. So we'll explore the vacuum, the air pump, the inflator, and a blower function in just a moment. But right away, I can tell that this tool is designed for convenience and efficiency. Let's start with its power. This vacuum delivers an impressive 21,000 pascals of suction power in maximum mode. What does that mean? It means it's strong enough to pick up dust, dirt, crumbs, and even sand from your car seats and floors. I set up some tough cleaning challenges like leaves and car seat cushions, and the REDTIGER vacuum tackled it all without missing a beat. Unlike other vacuums that lose suction over time, the performance here remains consistent. If you've used other handheld vacuums, you'll know that most offer only about 10,000 to 15,000 pascals of suction power. The REDTIGER goes above and beyond, making it perfect for deeper cleaning jobs. Next up is the battery life, which is crucial for any cordless vacuum. The REDTIGER comes with 4,000 milliamp hour battery, giving you up to 70 minutes of runtime on a full charge. That's more than enough to clean your entire car, even if you're dealing with heavy messes. The vacuum charges fully in just 3.5 hours, so you're not stuck waiting all day. Most competitors only last about 20 to 30 minutes per charge, so this vacuum really stands out in terms of endurance. One of the best features of this vacuum is its self-cleaning HEPA filter. If you've used handheld vacuums before, you know how annoying it is to replace filters constantly. With the REDTIGER, the filter is washable and reusable, which saves you both time and money. What's even better is the self-cleaning feature. With just the press of a button, you can empty the dustbin and clean the filter without getting your hands dirty. It's mess-free, easy to use, and ensures the vacuum maintains efficient suction every time. The portability of this vacuum is a huge plus. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around at only 1.8 pounds. You can store it in your car's glove compartment or trunk without taking up too much space. But what makes it truly unique is its 4-in-1 functionality. Beyond vacuuming, it works as an air pump to inflate tires, sports balls, or even inflatable toys. The inflator feature comes with a nozzle attachment, making it versatile for all kinds of tasks. The blower is perfect for clearing out debris from tight spaces like air vents or small crevices in your car. This tool is not just about cleaning, it's a multitasking powerhouse. The blower features was especially useful for getting dust out of vents, while the vacuum suction power easily picked up stubborn dirt. This is a tool that's not only convenient, but also highly effective in everyday use. Is the REDTIGER Car Vacuum Cordless worth it? Absolutely. With its powerful suction, long-lasting battery, and versatile features, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car clean and organized. If you're ready to take your car cleaning game to the next level, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.